I'm sure it smelled like a fine wine. Now on to a melodious song by Meron.
बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरे से मन की देखो बावरी है बातें बावरे से मन की देखो बावरी है बातें बावरे से धड़कने हैं बावरी है सांसें बावरे से करवटों से निंदिया दूर भागे बावरे से नैन चाहे बावरे झरोखों से बावरे नज़ारों को तकना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना
That was simply euphonious. Now, we have got a few special guests here for you. Let's take a look at it.
Respected Director Sir, Mrs. Sophie, Mrs. Indulekha, Mr. Salim, Mrs. Sridevi, teachers and my dear children. ISM family is always been very close to my heart and I thank you for giving me this opportunity to address you from my home in Alain, UAE. Dear children, today is your day. I am happy to have taught most of you in small classes and is privileged to be your vice principal for some time. I really treasure all the years I spent at IISM and I am sure you have many sweet memories at IISM too. I wish you all a great future ahead with good health and lots of success. By success, I do not mean just being a doctor, engineer, or a CEO. According to me, success is being a good human being who is responsible and accountable. It doesn't matter which profession you choose. You just have to love it and try to be the best at it. It's really about reaching the top. Today, as you head out to a new chapter in your life, my advice to you in short is to be a person of integrity. Cultivate the ability to listen, love, forgive, care for, and respect everyone. Practice gratitude and patience. If we learn the art of listening with patience, most of our problems can be solved. Value friendships and all relations. Be compassionate and helpful. Just do your best and leave the rest. Always look for the positive in everything, in every situation, and trust in God's plan. May God's blessings be with you all and always stay happy and stay positive.
Dear children, all you have started your journey at kindergarten of India International School. This school taught you that life is not just about reading and writing, but also about how one can create their own path and how you can make a difference in this world. It has been a joy and pleasure teaching all of you in KG. We have watched you work, learn, and grow into amazing individuals you are today, and we are very proud of you. Each day with you all has been an adventure, and we will cherish those memories for years to come. Always remember to make right choices in the life, and I hope those choices bring you your desired outcomes. This world is yours to conquer, so go out and get it. Thank you for making my life brighter. I was very lucky to have been your KG teacher. Lots of love, Nilofer Kazi.
See, nobody knows what the future holds for you. You will be having lots of challenges to face in the new world. But I'm pretty sure that you will be leaving this institution with the overall development and well groomed to face these challenges. It was really a pleasure for being a part of your journey. Take a good care of yourself, and I always love you. Take care.
Dear children, congratulations, a big congratulations on your graduation. I just want to say one thing. Whatever you want to do happily and confidently. All the very best for your bright future. Thank you.
Hi dears, how are you all? How fast it is? If a chintus when I was there, now you're going to complete your 12th and going to join college soon. It's great it is. I love you all dears. You're so wonderful and loving kids. It was a great time with you all in IAS. It's wonderful children. And soon you're going to join in colleges. And whatever the course you take, put your 100% and excel in all. I love you dears. And wish you all the very best for your future endeavor. Bye. Love you.
Hello students, your great achievements and wonderful memories will always remain at ISM and in our hearts. Dear children, always remember, keep learning, do not stop learning. पंख खुले हैं अभी, उड़ान बाकी है, पंख खुले हैं अभी, उड़ान बाकी है, छुआए सितारों को आसमां बाकी है. Remember, sky is the limit. Open your wings and fly high. I bid you farewell. Wish you all the best. Goodbye. Take care.
Hi! How are you all? Good, no? This is Gomati ma'am. My God, it is such a nice feeling getting connected with you after a long gap. The good time I have spent with you both inside and outside the classrooms are just evergreen in my memories. They just can't be forgotten. I should specially thank the organizers of the farewell for not forgetting me. From the bottom of my heart, I wish each and every one of you great success in all your endeavors in life. May God be with you always. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Quick! Yes, this is fun and I'm with you. I know you must be doing great. Thank you for remembering me. Remember one thing, my dear friend. If you want to fly high, give up everything that bows you down. So do good, be good, do great things, and reach the pinnacle of success. You might get lots of obstacles in your way. So कभी रुक जाना नहीं, तू कहीं हार के राहों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. रुक जाना नहीं, तू कहीं हार के राहों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही. My dear friends, congratulations! 2020-2021 batch of India International School. I know this time it is different. Everyone are in new normal situation. Oh yeah, let me wear my mask and wish you great success. You have a long way to go, my dear buddies. Once again, I salute you. Be good, do good, and reach out.
That was just. Moving on, we present you a gift, a poem penned by a few of our friends.
Welcome, students, said the teachers to all the children with different features that stood in the classroom with huge walls, charts, and pictures. Crying students, consoling parents, and smiling teachers all around, frightened and nervous by the strangeness that surround the children, unaware of the journey so profound. It was here we learnt about the universe and the stars and planets like Earth and Mars. Trigonometry was truly troubling. Dates in history were always baffling. Rules of grammar and the contents of the cell might have been hard to grasp, but we learnt how to spell. Exams were always a nightmare, with life turning into a questionnaire, where enjoyment became rarest of the rare. Students in despair, papers to compare. Why is my life so unfair? We thought school life to be tedious, but the memories now make it feel precious. Bunking the classes, sneaking in snacks, roaming in the corridors, playing the pranks, with papers being our balls and books to be our bats, classroom filled with chaos and non-stop chit-chat. In highs and lows, both sweet and wise, these friends of ours like jewels in our eyes. To all our below 12s, the journey from kindergarten to graduation, filled with laughter, friends and memories, has come to a conclusion. The universe awaits with opportunities as huge as the sky. So let us say, see you soon instead of a goodbye.